police out today. Speed limit's 25 miles an hour right here. I'm going 31. Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it happens to be where you are. Good to see you, thanks for joining. Today I'm just going to do a quick ride. I thought people might like to see different parts of Austin, and I'm just going to go through this little neighborhood that I found exploring a long time ago. Of course you can't go fast through it, it's a very residential neighborhood with big lovely homes right on the river, and I'm just going to cruise through there slowly, point out some stuff, and that's it. So if you want to join me for a quick ride through here and check out the scenery, more than welcome to do it. Right now I'm on Mount Bonnell Drive or road, whatever it is. Oh, steep hill. Look at this, going right up the side of the mountain. Let's go, baby. All right, so this is leading us up to the top of the mountain. This is the highest point around Austin. So up here, there's on my channel, I've been by this road many times. You can climb up the staircase here up to the top of the mountain, and it has a really nice overlook of the river and all the beautiful buildings and homes along the river. So that is it. So let's get over on the other side where this little neighborhood is and just take a nice relaxing cruise on this hot summer day through this nice little neighborhood. See you in a bit. So I love going at pace on big sweepers and the back road twisties, but I also like going through really nice residential neighborhoods that have twisty kind of roads. You can't go so fast on them, obviously, but a lot of trees and shade. I enjoy those rides too, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go through this little neighborhood up here, take a bunch of twists and turns to the neighborhood and the river, the lake there, or actually at that point it's kind of more like a river right next to us there. Feeds into Lake Travis. So you see there's lots of boats and people in kind of summer beach gear. Down there, some boat launching areas down that way. So a nice hot day like this, it's nice to go through areas that have all these trees like this. It gets cooler in here. There's a house up here somewhere where the house is on the right hand side, the river's on the left, and the street cuts them off from the river. So they built a bridge right over the street to get direct access to the river and to their boathouse. Nice to have money, huh? See if I can I don't know if we're gonna go past that house though. Oh, I think it's here. I think it's down this street. This house is crazy. Nice house. This area is very hilly. It's a lot more like parts of California than it is Texas. Texas, for the most part, is a lot flat. Okay, here we go. This is the street. Apologies. This is the road that's got the house with a bridge. So we're right here next to us on the left is the river. So like I said, this house is going to be on the right side, so this road is cutting them off from the actual river here. Probably can't see from the camera, but we're up pretty high. Even this house here on the left, below them is the river, but it's kind of far down there. They have to have really big staircases to get them down to the river. Alright, I see the bridge. You probably can't see it yet, but it's right up here in front of us. Yeah, this house right here on the right. I see they've built this bridge. We're gonna go under it. It's nuts. And there's the river. Nice. Yeah, Austin has some very nice neighborhoods scattered around that have beautiful homes. You just gotta do some exploring. So I found this kind of on my own, just riding around exploring back years ago when I first moved here. And I thought, wow, this is such a cool little street. And now we've come up and down enough that the river is right here by the road. So we've come down in elevation quite a bit. So these homes are right on the river. In fact, this house here, part of their house is actually the boathouse. So that they can just walk through their house into another room, step into their boat, lower it down, and take off. Sweet. And it's quite a cool house too. Look at this house. It's kind of medieval looking, like a little castle. I know what I pay in property tax, so I can't imagine what these people out here pay. My goodness. Not only is their tax rate higher, but their square footage and their square meters, depending on how you measure where you are, is probably twice the size of my house. I remember there was a house for sale. I think it's still for sale. It was like $17 million or something like that. I think the property tax in that house was something like $180,000 a year just on the property tax alone. So it was like, I think what it broke down was something like 15 or 16,000 US dollars per month was the property tax. But if you got enough money to live there, $16,000 is probably the equivalent to me of like $100. All right, well that takes us, pop us out here on this Pecos Road. And that is it for that little kind of neighborhood tour. Whoa. So that was fun. I will see you again next time. Thanks for joining. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, as normal, all that wonderful stuff. Thank you so much. And we'll see you next time. Later.